As the sun dips below the horizon in Japan, painting the sky with hues of orange and purple, a transformation begins. The cities awaken, shedding their daytime calm and exploding with color and energy. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. Neon signs flicker on with a mesmerizing buzz, painting the streets in vibrant electric blues, hot pinks and lush greens. The reflections dance on the wet pavement, creating an ethereal glow. It's like stepping into a futuristic dreamscape, a cyberpunk vision come to life. Music spills from open doorways, laughter echoes through the streets, and the tantalizing aroma of sizzling street food fills the air, beckoning you closer. The city gracefully transforms from peaceful temples and serene gardens to a vibrant, buzzing nightlife that pulses with an irresistible energy. Every corner you turn offers a new light show, a different spectacle of color and movement, making you want to explore every glowing alley to uncover the secrets hidden within. Friends gather in small groups, faces lit by the vibrant neon glow, ready for a night of adventure and unforgettable memories. The city feels truly alive, buzzing with excitement and possibility, inviting everyone, locals and travelers alike, to join the celebration and embrace the night. The contrast between the inky blackness of the night sky and the brilliant, almost overwhelming lights of the city is simply breathtaking. Even a simple walk down the street becomes an unforgettable experience, a feast for the senses. This is where Japan's nightlife magic truly begins. A world of endless possibilities awaits. Streets alive with laughter, fun, friendship, and the thrill of discovery around every corner. So, let's dive into this dazzling neon wonderland together and explore the electric heart of Japan. Tokyo's nightlife pulses in Shibuya and Shinjuku. At Shibuya Crossing, thousands cross under giant video screens, a living, moving river of people. The energy is electric, with youth culture and fashion on full display. Shibuya is where trends are born, and excitement is everywhere. Shinjuku offers a different vibe. Towering skyscrapers, glowing department stores, and cozy alleyways like Omoide Yokocho. Here, lantern-lit yakitori stalls invite you to eat, drink, and share stories. Kabukicho's bold lights welcome you to endless entertainment, karaoke, themed restaurants, and more. The streets are packed, the energy wild and thrilling. Whether you're in Shibuya's chaos or Shinjuku's maze, Tokyo's night is always young. Every moment is a chance for adventure. This is the heartbeat of Tokyo after dark. Welcome to Osaka's dazzling Dotonbori, a place where the energy is infectious and the sights are unforgettable. It's more than just a district. It is the vibrant soul of Japan's nightlife, pulsing with an undeniable rhythm that draws you in. Prepare to be amazed by the giant animated signs, from the iconic waving crabs to the quirky illuminated pufferfish, each vying for your attention. And of course, the famous Glico Running Man, a symbol of Osaka itself. These dazzling lights dance and reflect, lighting up the canal with their vibrant hues. The water reflections only double the magic, creating an ethereal spectacle that's truly captivating. The atmosphere here is simply pure, unadulterated fun, a place where worries fade away. Laughter and lively chatter fill the air, creating a symphony of joy that's impossible to resist. Friends and families gather to eat, sharing delicious treats and creating lasting memories. They explore hidden alleyways and celebrate life with every bite and every shared moment. Dotonbori is all about kidaore, embracing the local motto of eating until you drop. Friends happily share steaming takoyaki and savory okonomiyaki by the canal water, completely soaking in the incredibly lively scene that unfolds around them. Osaka's people are known for being warm, incredibly outgoing, and always ready to share a good time with anyone and everyone. Shopkeepers greet you with genuine smiles. Even strangers strike up friendly chats, and it feels like everyone's welcome in this inclusive atmosphere. The bold and unique fashion perfectly matches the city's vibrant and energetic spirit. Every single sense is fully engaged, from the dazzling lights to the captivating sounds, the enticing smells, and the unforgettable flavors. Dotonbori is so much more than just a tourist spot. It's an authentic experience. It's truly Osaka's living, breathing, laughing heart, a place that stays with you long after you leave. You'll leave with a deliciously full stomach and a happy, contented heart filled with memories of this incredible place. Nightlife in Japan means incredible food and unforgettable experiences. Izakayas, Japanese pubs, are cozy, lively places to relax with friends. You share small plates, yakitori, karaage, sashimi, and more, savoring each bite and every laugh. It's all about community and connection. Outside, street food stalls come alive. Takoyaki, okonomiyaki, ramen, and sweet crepes tempt you at every turn. Vendors cook with skill and speed, serving up quick, delicious treats. Grab a snack and keep exploring the neon-lit streets. Food here is meant to be shared, savored, and enjoyed on the go. These stalls and izakayas are the heart of nightlife culture. Every meal is an adventure. Japan's nightlife is more than just a party scene. It's an immersive experience that captivates the senses. It's a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of tradition and modernity, where the energy is palpable and the atmosphere is electric. It's a celebration of culture and connection. A place where strangers become friends and memories are forged in the heart of the night. The laughter of friends sharing stories, the clinking of glasses in a cozy izakaya. These are the sounds of Japan's nightlife. Ancient traditions and futuristic lights blend seamlessly, creating a unique and unforgettable ambience. The soft glow of traditional lanterns dances alongside the dazzling neon signs, a testament to Japan's ability to honor its past while embracing the future. One moment you're tucked away in a tiny intimate izakaya, savoring local delicacies and engaging in heartfelt conversations. The next, you're standing beneath towering neon screens, mesmerized by the dazzling display of lights and colors that paint the night sky. Night is when people unwind from the day's hustle, connect with loved ones, and create lasting memories that they'll cherish for years to come. It's a time to let loose, embrace the moment, and revel in the joy of being together. Sharing food, singing karaoke with friends, belting out your favorite tunes with unbridled enthusiasm, or crossing Shibuya with thousands of others. Every moment brings people together, fostering a sense of community and belonging. The vibrant streets are a canvas, a living, breathing artwork that pulsates with energy and excitement, painted with laughter, unique style, and an undeniable spirit of adventure. Every detail, from the intricate designs of neon signs to the tantalizing aromas of street snacks, is carefully crafted with care and attention to detail, reflecting the country's dedication to excellence. Nightlife here is about living fully, embracing the present moment, and finding joy in every single moment, no matter how big or small. Think of dazzling lights that illuminate the city, endless energy that keeps you going all night long, and warm connections that create a sense of belonging. This is the Japan that truly comes alive after dark, a transformation from the industrious daytime persona to a playful and inviting nocturnal world. A world that welcomes you with open arms and invites you to experience the magic of the night. Let the night inspire you, ignite your senses, and leave your heart glowing with unforgettable memories.